What do you do when things go wrong with your wedding, when you're out of pocket, when stuff doesn't turn up? Well, you lawyer up, my pretties. Until recording this episode of the Save the Date Wedding podcast, I had no idea there was such thing as a wedding lawyer. Of course there is. My guest this week is Christy Asselin. She's an attorney. She is what she calls a wedding lawyer. Her website is yourweddinglawyer.com, and she is around to solve problems that I hope none of you ever have to have. But let's be realistic. Shit goes down, stuff goes wrong. People let other people down all the time. Your wedding is a really expensive transaction. I know a lot of people don't see it, but it's a business transaction. You are spending a lot of money, hopefully not too much money if you're listening to the podcast. It's potentially the third biggest expense you'll ever go through in your life behind buying a house and a car. So you want to make sure that your house is covered when it comes to your expenses, when it comes to your legal rights. Christy and I talk a lot about how you can avoid getting trapped, how you can avoid getting ripped off, especially when it comes to situations like your wedding dress shop closing down. What do you do then? What if the cake that you ordered on the day doesn't arrive or is the wrong cake? Perhaps it's a giant penis cake instead of a wedding cake. I don't know. I'm sure that's happened somewhere. So Christy and I talk about giving you solutions to these problems, also preparing yourself so that these problems don't happen in the first place. It's a really interesting episode. I learned a lot just about life in general. Gee whiz, I really don't read contracts. And for someone that probably should read contracts, especially in my career, I really learnt that skimming over a contract, getting someone else to look at it is vital. All that and a lot more on the Save the Date Wedding podcast this week. Visit savethedatepodcast.com for more information. Follow me on all the various social medias, and also if you want to send me a question, do that via, well, you can comment below or visit Facebook or Twitter or write on the email. So many options. That's it. Subscribe. I will see you soon. Happy days.